If you're visiting the J Wellness Studio, you're most likely dealing with some form of pain in the neck, the back, TMJ related issues, tinnitus, or Eustachian Tube Dysfunction. But many of you who are trying to recover from these issues need to start getting your neck in check. Sleeping on your stomach is probably going to be very comfortable for many of you out there, but if you're dealing with the aforementioned issues that I've stated, you are going to have to make some adjustments. When dealing with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction specifically, it's going to cause further problems. That is because sleeping on your stomach is tough on your spine because the back is arched and your neck is turned to the side. Preferred sleeping positions are often set early in life and can be tough to change for many of you. Not to mention that we don't often wake up in the same position as we fall asleep. Still, it's worth trying to start sleeping on your back or your side in a well-supported, healthy position. When scheduling an appointment to see an ENT professional about your ear-related issues, it's very rarely that you'll hear about posture. When I scheduled an appointment to see an ENT professional, posture was never brought up, and I had no idea that getting my neck, my back, and my shoulders into a good, healthy form was going to benefit me with my ear-related problems. I tried to tackle those problems with medication as advised by the professional, and I didn't get any relief doing so that way. I didn't have sinus issues to an extent to where my ears would clog up and the pressure would build up and my equilibrium would be thrown off. Little did I know, habits in my daily life were putting stress in that area. Sleeping for 6+ hours a night on your stomach is going to put that excessive stress on your spine, your neck, your back, and your shoulders. Doing so is going to put strain on your neck, which is near your eustachian tube, which is going to also cause TMJ related issues, which then can start causing tinnitus related issues, and from there it's just a recurring effect. I get it, folks, old habits are hard to break, but this particular position that you see on the screen is going to be the best one for us. Also, if you have a comforter or a cushion laying around, what you'll want to do is just take that comforter and you want to put it right between your legs there, and you want to get a good side sleep. That's going to help align the spine. It's going to put the neck, back, and shoulders back into alignment, and over time we'll start feeling the healing sensation over our neck, which is going to help our jaw heal, which is going to help our ear heal. Overall, folks, it's just a lack of education that we're being told or not being told by professionals, and once we are going to find healing. Alrighty, my wellness people, that concludes our segment for today. I'm going to go ahead now and step out of the J Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody.